Dude, I am so done with packing these boxes. I just want to end my shift and go home. Yeah, I feel you. Dude, it's not even my break yet, but I want to eat. Yeah, screw it. Like, I can't be bothered. I'm just gonna eat now. Dude, you can't eat at work. It's fine. No one will know. Okay, whatever. See? I can multitask. Ugh, I gotta get that out. Okay, I'll just put that over here. You want some? No thanks, I'm good. Yeah. Cool, we're done. Let's go. Hey friends, it's Aki Dearest. We have another. And Aki bent over. And Aki bent over on... It's gonna be pretty casual with this one. So without further ado... Cha! Cha! What's in the box? A used banana. That's not appealing. I mean, it is appealing, but it's not. Anyways, we got a Charizard bottle. It has some pretty easy instructions. It says, Bouteille Triton Solide. That means... Oh, English, good. Durable and break resistant. Yep, that's break resistant. Think about how ironic this is. It's Charizard on a water bottle, or what could potentially be a water bottle. Next up! Oh, that just flew out. That almost killed me. Digimon collectible figurine. Whoa! It's just the plastic that smells weird. Okay, this is pretty sick. Can you open it? I don't think you can open it. But then again, why would you? I want to know how. Pip, I found you a new friend! Oh yeah, this might be a little bit too late to ask, but, or maybe not too late. But if anyone wouldn't mind drawing fan art of my character with Pip, I don't know why. I love this teddy bear so much. A lot of you guys have been pointing it out, and I don't know. I would just really like to see that. Guys, tweet it at me if you want. Let's start. I like this. I like this a lot. I'm gonna bring this to Japan because this is definitely my style. Thing is, I don't know where this is from, but this is my style. I like it, and she's pretty cute. Next up, is this a used tea bag? It's also dripping. Next up, what's in the box? An Aki Bento exclusive bow tie. Check that out. Because I know what I'm gonna do with a bow tie. I'm gonna wear it to all of the parties and I'm gonna look dapper as fuck. Damn it, my head's too big. I don't even know how this is supposed to work. And then you do something. Well, this shows how much I know about bow ties. Nada. Nothing. Cool, it's a lasso. You can make something out of anything. Next up, Natsume's Book of Friends. This is actually a surprise from Aki Bento. A lot of the times they like to look at some of the more newer stuff, so it's kind of interesting that they're tackling Natsume's Book of Friends. Oh man, I'm gonna put that on my Switch. Dude, it's an actual book from Natsume's Book of Friends. That's pretty sick. They don't usually do like exact replicas of things. So if I ever for some reason want to do a cosplay from Natsume's Book of Friends, I at least have a really good book. Dude, that's actually super cool. Let me feel the paper. Let me feel the paper. I don't know why. I was expecting some references from the anime inside of here, but this will suffice. We've got an Inuyasha keychain and an Inuyasha keychain outside of the bag. Oh yeah, and the Aki Bento pin. There is this thing. The infamous card, or the famous card, why is it infamous? That shows all the items in the box. And also the instructions to a selfie contest in case you guys want to try and buy this figure, or not buy this figurine. What kind of contest is that? You win and then you get to buy a figurine. That sounds like a great prize. And we also have peach yogurt. Okay, I gotta go call him up to ask him what happened to this box. Hello? Hey, it's Aki. Oh, hey Aki. I wanted to call about the box you guys sent me this month. Yeah, what's up? So while I was opening it, there was some other stuff in there, such as like some yogurt. Wait, what else is in there? Yeah, and there was also a tea bag. Used, by the way. It was already wet and dripping. Oh my god. And the last item was also... and a banana peel. Yeah, so you know what I'm talking about. Shh. You know, you guys... Aki, I am so sorry. This was my fault. I was being really careless. This is probably the best box you've given me so far. What? Yeah, I just love the movement you guys did with this box. Like, you got me at the banana peel because that was a kick in the teeth of, like, stop wasting food. Go on. Like, this message that you're bringing out, it really hits home, and I think that you'll sell, like, millions of boxes to people that really need, like, reality just kicking them in the teeth. Like, don't waste food. That's the message of Aki Bento now. You're stretching outside of anime. Say that again? Not to mention the theme was also Beast, so I'm taking that as, like, not only just anime, but you're also advertising the beast within us all. I don't need to display this box anymore because the message is loud and clear. Stop wasting food. Like, do your part in society. There are so many more important things than just anime. Like, there is an environment out there that we need to take care of. Yeah, I'll definitely keep you posted. I'll discuss it with my team, but I'm glad you like this month's box. Yeah, just talk it over with the team. Just let me know. Other than that, I'm just gonna tell everyone to go to the description below and click on the link if they want their own Aki Bento over in the meantime while you're making this other genius box of yours. Alright, see you then. Cool. She's a fucking genius. We can do this. Dude, I am down for this. Let's do it. Fuck yeah.